Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. We've got some interesting stuff today, which I'll tell you about in just a second. Today is Tuesday, August 29th. You can look here at the forexfactory.com calendar. You can see we have some U.S. numbers. We have a red item at 9 o'clock, which is the S&P Case-Shiller's, that's what CS for, composite 20-year housing price index year over year. It's expected to be negative. And then we have the housing price index month over month, also a yellow item, but at 9 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, we have CB consumer confidence and the JOLTS job openings. And that is it for the day. So very interested in the JOLTS job openings, consumer confidence, and the housing. All big numbers, all red. So 1 at 9, 2 at 10. So pay attention. Now, before we even get into charts, I want to also tell you that the Stock Traders Almanac for today says 90.5% chance today will be an update. So I am not certain, but I am pretty darn sure that that is the highest probability day of the year. 99.5. It says that the third to last trading day in August for the S&P was up 19 years in a row. So 90.5%. Very interesting. Now let's go look at charts. All right, so we still have this looks like a head and shoulders pattern, which means eventually we're going to roll over and go down. So very interesting. This does look like a head and shoulders pattern more and more. I've drawn just a measuring tool to look at yesterday's range, right? And we'll just project where we are right now. So that looks like somewhere in the neighborhood of 44.68, or the downside could possibly be back down here into, I'm going to go to that low volume node, 44.16. So that's kind of the options that we have for today. And remember that we are going to be looking for a turnover, for it to turn over. Maybe today is the up day, obviously saying 90%, but let's wait and see. Looking at the inventory, inventory is correlated. Inventory was up and the market was up yesterday, although not very convincing. Not a lot of inventory expansion. Did have price expansion, but it is what it is. All right, looking at the intraday, one of the interesting things here is that we have about a 21-point difference between high and low. That's just maybe slightly less than average. Average is probably 22 to 25 overnight range. So we're right in there. Looking for intraday support and resistance. So for resistance on the top side, 44.63, 44.80, and I'd go with that 44.97 on 98 level. Very good resistance. 3 levels of resistance. Support, we got some support at 44.27, some more at 44.14, 44.06, probably at 4,400, and then it's all bets are off. It's going to go down nasty from below 4,400. Yeah, so that is, again, Stock Traders Almanac, 90.5%. We'll have to wait and see if that is going to pan out, but it's a very, very high percentage. I'll keep that in the back of my mind for sure. Hope you guys have a great day. Happy trading, and remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.